I was distracted and in traffic. I didn't feel when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Were you out drinking? Were you in the living room chilling watching television? It's been a year now, think I figured out how to let you go and let communication die out. I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All of our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was over, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling and I'll hold you tight, and there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. And if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Right. And if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Tried to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Night that we were drinking, stumbled in your house and didn't make it past the kitchen. It's been a year now, think I figured out how to think about you without it ripping my heart out. I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All of our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling and I hold you tight, and there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. And if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over, right? You come over, you come over, you come over, you come over, right? I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All of our fears, would it be relevant? If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling and I hold you tight. There wouldn't